started an FX. Today I'm going to show you some of the trades that I did last week. I'm sorry for the delay. Yesterday my machine has been acting up. I don't know what has happened to it. We'll take it to the workshop tomorrow and we'll continue our trade. So don't be worried about tomorrow what will happen. I'll be here with you guys. So I'll show you my analysis through my phone on what I did last week. So I also use TradingView on my phone. So sometimes when maybe I'm busy, I'm at work, I check my trades with the phone. It's good, it's working. There's some tutorials about the TradingView. If you want to know how to use it, I can teach you. I can show you with tutorials what to put on your TradingView, the indicators to use. The indicators are a program that I'm having, teaching guys on using some of the indicators that I use. They're very profitable. We'll be showing you some trades that I put with the indicators and how well they go. Most of the indicators I use, profits are on high end. Scalping, not scalping. I assure you for some profits. So this was the trades I took last week. One there was the USDJPY. We came out with some profits with around 9.20 profits, but that was initially. It took the profit, just that I was a bit late with my account. There was some news that came up on the USDG and the JPY. This is what caused me to get late, but I took the profits that were already there. So my analysis I do it on the daily chart. Let me show you guys. So that is the daily chart that I had. My analysis came from this. This price broke the previous highest level. Then after breaking the level, it came and made a new high. After creating the new high, what did you expect for the price to do? To come back to the level of the previous high and then make another break to the upper side and come and break this, make a continuation trend for the uptrend that was continuing. So initially the price, what does it do? It came, it broke this level, which was supposed to be its next support, came back down to the previous lowest low that was created before the highest high. This level, it was either to create a bounce back or to be broken so as to get another entry for a downtrend. So this level came back to this level, gave us buying pressure. This is what I call buying pressure for me. I know buying pressure is a green candle. This was the buying pressure that it gave us. So my first entry was here. That was the first entry I did on this trade. It was on last week, that one. This was the first entry. After this big engulfing candle on the 4-hour chart, took my entry at the next candle, and as you can see, initially it hit take profit with a risk to reward ratio of 1:2.05. Then the next trade was that one that I took, which was affected by the news. The news came here, but already, as you can see, we had already hit our take profit over here. So my entry came from the break of this small level here, and then coming back to this level with some two candles, then creating a higher close candle. That is another strategy that I teach in my group. It's called the box breakout strategy. After making our entry over here, after this was the higher close candle, and it must be above the lowest level that was broken. So this was my entry. Initially it hit our take profit. So after hitting our take profit, the news came, the price started for coming down. And initially you can see this was an area that was broken. So the price was supposed to come back here, get a bounce back, start, continue downwards. It was supposed to come, break this level over here, come back, and then continue down. But initially, what does the price do? The price comes, sorry for guys, using the mobile phone is a bit tricky. It will still continue. So initially the price did this, price came, and it came back to a previous level. This was a previous level of support, of resistance. So initially here it has come and created what? A double top, a possible double top. After creating the double top, what do you expect as a selling pressure? For me, I expected a big engulfing candle. So this trade has already given us a go ahead, telling us this is a double top also created. So where do I take my entries? I'll wait for the price. For me to take my entry, and the next I'll wait for the price to come down, break this our neckline. What should the price do after coming down? Should go back to our neckline. This is the area that I'll be looking for my trades. My entry points will be here. So for next week in the 4-hour time frame for USD JPY, you can be watching out for these. This is a very possible trade next week. So guys, thank you. And then the next trade that I had for last week.